Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Akanksha and this channel is all about ACCA. Everything you need to know before starting this course. In my previous videos, I have already explained what is ACCA and its eligibility. So if you have not watched those videos, make sure you check them out. Today's video is one of the most important and most searched topic, ACCA fees structure. So in this video, I will break down ACCA fees step by step with no confusion, no fake numbers and no exaggeration. First, let me clarify one thing. ACCA fees are not just one single amount. The total cost is divided into different parts such as registration fees, annual subscription fees, exam fees and tuition fees. So let's understand each one by one. When you enroll for ACCA for the first time, you need to pay one-time registration fee. Registration fees is around £30. In my case, it was around 3,800 rupees. This fees is paid directly to ACCA Global, not to any institute. You pay this only once in your entire ACCA journey. After registration, every year you must pay an annual subscription fees to keep your ACCA account active. Annual subscription fee is around £140 per year. You need to pay this every year until you complete ACCA. If you forget to pay it, your account can get suspended. So this is very important. Now let's talk about the main cost, exam fees. ACCA has three labels. First label, applied knowledge, consists three papers. Cost per paper around 80 to 90 pounds. In Indian rupees, it would cost you around 30 to 35k approx. Second label, applied skill level, consists of six papers. Cost per paper around 100 to 110 pounds. In Indian rupees, it would cost you around 90k to 1 lakh. Third label, strategic professional level, consists of four papers. Cost per paper around 200 to 250 pound. In Indian rupees, it will also cost you around 1 lakh to 1.1. Total exam fees for all 13 papers come to approximately 2 to 2.5 lakhs, depending on the currency rates and exam entry timing. Now, this part depends completely on you. You can choose online coaching, offline classes, self-study. On average, coaching per paper can range from 10,000 to 25,000. Total tuition costs for ACCA can range between 2.5 lakhs to 4 lakhs. This depends on institute quality, online versus offline, whether you take all papers with coaching or self-study some. So, if we combine everything, registration, subscription, exam fees, excluding tuition fees because it depends on you, registration fees cost you around 4,000, annual subscription fees cost you around 17,000 for 4 years, which is 68,000, exam fees of all level 35,000, 1 lakh and 1 lakh, which is cost you 2 lakh 35,000 and which is calculated total is 3 lakh 7,000, excluding tuition because it depends on you.
हाथों को तेरे अपने हाथों में